Good morning to all. Today we will continue chapter number 6, retirement of a partner. This is the second way to adjust partner's capital. That is when existing total capital of the remaining partners is to be in their new profit sharing ratio. We will understand with the help of a question number 48 in T.S. Grewal. J, H and K were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. On 31st March 2015, their balance sheet was as follows. On the above date, H retired and J and K agreed to continue the business on the following terms. Goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 1,02,000. There was a claim of rupees 8,000 for workman compensation. Provision for bad debts was to be reduced by rupees 2,000. H will be paid rupees 14,000 in cash and the balance will be transferred in his loan account, which will be paid in 4 equally yearly installment together with interest at a rate of 10% per annum. The new profit sharing ratio between J and K will be 3:2 and their capitals will be in their new profit sharing ratio. The capital adjustment will be done by opening current account. You have to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of a new firm. First of all, we have to prepare revaluation account. You will write to workman compensation claim account that is 8,000. Next, provision for bad debt was reduced by 2,000. You write on right side by provision for bad debt $2,000 because liability is decreasing, so we have to record on right side. And workman compensation claim is 8,000 because in this question there are no reserve, there are no workman compensation reserve, so we have to recover from the revaluation account. $8,000. Total of this 8,000 we transfer on credit side 8,000 and you will be find out loss transferred to capital account. J, H and K, the loss is 6,000. This amount will be divided among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. 3,000 1,800 and 1,200. After revaluation account, we have to prepare a partner's capital account, and you will write by balance BD 1,80,000 and 40,000. Capital balance are given in the balance sheet 1,80,000, 40,000. Next, you have to transfer revaluation loss. You will write to revaluation account 3,000, 1,800, 1,200. In balance sheet, on the liability side, investment fluctuation reserve is given. You will distribute in ratio in their profit sharing ratio by investment fluctuation reserve. The amount of this reserve 20,000, 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. And there is a profit and loss account. There is a reserve. You will write by profit and loss account. That is 80,000. It will be distributed among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio 40,000. 24,000 and 16,000. Now we have to calculate the value of goodwill of the partner, Italian partner. The total goodwill of the firm is 1,02,000. Total goodwill of the firm 1,02,000. We have to calculate H share of goodwill. H is a retiring partner. The ratio of H 3 by 10. H share of goodwill 1,02,000 into 3 by 10. It is 30,600. The entry is, but in this question, new ratio is also given. Then you have to calculate gain ratio first. Calculation of gaining ratio. As you know, gaining ratio is equal to new minus old share. Old share is 532 J H K, and new ratio between J and K 3:2. J new ratio 3 by 5 minus 5 by 10. 6 minus 5, 1 by 10, and for K 2 by 5 minus 2 by 10. 2 by 10. And gaining ratio is 1:2. The entry is J capital account debit and K capital account debit. Both J and K partner will compensate to retiring partner. To H capital account 30,600. 30,600 into 1 by 3. 10,200 and 20,400. Now you write to H capital account on debit side. H capital account 10,000 10,200 and 20,400. Now on credit side you will write by J capital account and by K capital account 10,200 and 20,400. Now the calculation of capital. And adjusted capital of J, adjusted capital of K is equal to 1,10,000, 40,000. It is 1,50,000. 1,50,000 minus 10 plus 3, 13,200. 13,200. And in case of K, 40,000, 4,000, it is 60,000. 60,000 minus 21,600, and it is 1,36,800, and it is 38,400. Now total adjusted capital of the firm $1,75,200. Now this amount will be distributed in the new profit sharing ratio between the remaining partners. Existing capital to J and K 1,36,800 and 38,400, and the new capital 1,75,200, and the ratio is 3/2. 1,75,200 into 3/5, 5 3 is 15, and 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20. It is 1,05,000, 1,05,120, and for K it is 7,0,080. The difference between the two, 31,680 and the difference is 31,680. You write to cash account 14,000, which is a question. The H will be paid 14,000 in cash. You have to write 14,000, and after that to H loan account, the total of H column is 80,000, 6, 20, 24, 30. It is 1,40,600. 1,40,600 minus 14,000 and 1,800, you will get 1,24,800. 1,24,800 to J current account, the total is 1,50,000, 1,50,000 minus 3,000 and minus 10,200, you will get 1,05,120. Is the closing balance of capital. The total is 9,1680 and 9,1680, and you write on that side by K current account $31,680. After partners capital account, we have to prepare a balance sheet. In balance sheet, you write capital account J and K 1,05,000, 120, and 7,080. Next, creditors 42,000. H loan account, 1,24,800. The total of this 1,75,200. And we will write to J current account, the amount is 31,680. And the last two balance CD. $31680. Now on credit side we will write land and building, it is 1,24,000. Next motor van, 40,000. Investment, 38,000. Machinery, 24,000. Stock, 30,000. Debtors, 80,000. You write in your column and less provision, 4,000 only. 4,000. You get 76,000. Cash, 32,000 minus 14,000. 18,000. And the last on liability side we write workman compensation claim, 8,000. And on asset side you will write K current account, 31680. K current account 31680. And the last total of balance sheet is 3,81,680. 3,81,680. 3,81,680. That's all. Thank you.